More and more camping enthusiasts are discovering the convenience of the camper van. Compact on holiday, and your bikes can always come along. BusBiker introduced in 2007 the first swing-away bike carrier specially for camper vans. With the new BusBiker Allround, it is now possible to mount this carrier on almost every camper van. The BusBiker Allround responds to wider e-bikes with adjustable rails for extra space between the bikes. Ideal for bikes with wide derailleurs, and a third bike rail can easily be added. The carrier mounts directly to the van chassis, the strongest part of the bus, for maximum stability and safety. The pivot point remains on the left side, enabling easy access to swiftly open both doors. For even more convenience, we have improved the folding of the rack. The folding ramp makes loading bikes even easier. The BusBiker Allround can almost always be mounted in combination with the optional tow bar. Your dealer can tell you all about the mounting options. Not using the bike carrier for a while? Simply slide the Allround out of the mounting bracket and store it until the next cycling holiday. The BusBiker Allround fits most common camper vans such as the Mercedes Sprinter, MAN GTE, VW Crafter, Ford Transit, and more.